Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nutrition and healthy living. Today, we're diving into the topic of breakfast and the incredible benefits of including eggs in your morning routine. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and high-quality proteins. Eggs are a great source of vitamins A, D, E, and B complex vitamins, including B12, which is essential for brain function. With about 6 grams of high-quality protein per egg, they provide the necessary building blocks for muscle growth and repair. The protein content also helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake throughout the day. Protecting our eyes and maintaining optimal brain function are crucial. Eggs contain 2 essential nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Eggs contain healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, and are low in saturated fats, making them a heart-friendly choice. Eggs can be paired with an array of vegetables, whole grains, or even enjoyed on their own. With eggs, you have endless breakfast possibilities that are quick and easy to make. Eggs are truly a breakfast superstar, offering a wide range of health benefits. From their nutritional content to their impact on muscle building, weight management, eye health, brain function, and heart health, eggs have it all. So next time you're planning your breakfast, remember the incredible benefits of incorporating eggs into your morning routine. That's all for today's episode of Eggcellent Mornings. We hope you enjoyed this egg-sighting journey with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more nutritious content. Until next time, have a healthy and egg-cellent day.